This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about coffee cup sleeve holders, specifically these Restpresso acrylic coffee cup sleeve holders. You have two options in these black acrylic sleeve holders. The vertical dispenser is 6 inches across, 3.5 deep, and 10 inches high, and the horizontal sleeve dispenser is 9.5 inches long, 6 inches across, and 3 3/4 inches high. They all have that beautiful black finish that's a great attractive option and really goes with any aesthetic. The horizontal holder is spring loaded, so it's easy just to push that back, slip your sleeves in, and then they'll always be pushed forward for you. The vertical features a nice open design so that it's really easy to load, but also to grab one when needed. The horizontal holds up to 50 sleeves, while the vertical can hold up to 75. These are great organizational tools to keep counters and self-service stations neat and keep those sleeves easily accessible. They're going to be easy for customers and employees to grab, but also easy for your employees to refill when needed. They're perfect for any coffee shop or establishment that serves hot beverages, and even for things like organizing your office break room.